I would like to point out before I continue that I am simply giving information. Starting from the kept records of the Earth's changes to the people who without a doubt think that global warming is happening as we speak, to those people who think it's a bunch of nonsense and it's not something to be worried about. The Earth's atmosphere is so thin that we are capable of dramatically changing it, all with the help of the greenhouse gases that accumulate the greenhouse gases are the reason why the Earth is becoming hot, and is drastically changing. Greenhouse gases are gases that retain heat and reflect the heat back to the surface of the Earth instead of transferring it out of the atmosphere. Page 21 and 22 of An Inconvenient Truth, The Crisis of Global Warming. Before the world had become industrialized, the whole weather and temperature was perfectly fine. But as soon as man started making more factories, the world began to give a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and that resulted in the greenhouse gases that heat the world today. Studies have shown that the temperature is dramatically increasing from what it used to be predicted. Scientists had predicted that it would rise 1 degrees each year, but now it is drastically increasing 4 degrees each year. Studies have also shown that the carbon in the air drastically decreases and increases during specific parts of the year. When the Earth is tilted away from the sun, the amount of carbon increases because of the lack of plants converting that carbon dioxide into oxygen. So the same goes with summer, except in summer the amount of carbon dioxide is very low. Although these people think that global warming is something to be worried about, other people have different points of view. For example, S. Fred Singer. He argues that, contrary to dire scenarios of floods and famine, global warming remains scientifically unproven and does not pose a threat to the environment and human welfare. Page 25, Global Warming, Opposing Viewpoints. These people have been given names of eco-leaders, people who just want to stay rich and keep the people buying all these kinds of fuels and keeping the factories good and running by producing all the products they have in mind. They may or may not be right, but I simply give out the information. And that is the reason why global warming is or may not be something to be worried about.